Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Toyota Highlander XLE. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seating, power sliding sunroof, as well as remote liftgate, NV wheels, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. You're going to beige and black interior, the paneling and storage on the bottom next to speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors your windows, chrome accent handle there. These power adjustable leather heated seats, super comfortable. And left side here is going to be your ventilation with power liftgate and high beams. And left side will be your dominant clutch control and voice recognition, with the right side being your cruise, forward gap adjuster, and your lane departure. Now you can access all of your vehicle information here. Oops, if I can, oh, there we go, move it out. And you're going to have your driving support with your audio. Again, you're going to have your gauges here and safety system and all that fun stuff. As well as push to start here and onto the infotainment. So equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Sirius XM with just classic Bluetooth connectivity as well. And you can also download navigation if you choose. Below you're going to have the tri-zone climate controls, a little extra storage with 3 USB ports. Of course, center console here with drive mode selector, mud sand there, parking brake, as well as hill descent control and auto stop. And here you're going to have your center console, extra storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. The brown interior as well, speakers and vents. And then you can access your reading lamps, SOS, and a power sliding sunroof. So you get these 18-inch NV wheels with Bridgestone Blizzak tires with paint match mirror caps, and keyless door handles, luggage side rail up top, coming to the back. With the remote liftgate, you got the 60/40 folding split seats in the third row here, with cup holders and vents on each side, and as well as extra storage down below here. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling storage next to speakers, power window with the built-in sunshade here. The back, quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear climate controls and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, the lamps up top, and the handles on the side there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2020 Toyota Highlander XLE. Equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, as well as leather heated seats, lane departure warning, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.